Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and today I'm going to review Revlon Colorstay Gel Envy. This one comes with two bottles. One is the color and one is the top coat. So I am going to show you guys the color first, and it is 100. It's called Card Shark. It's pink. It's kind of a cotton candy pink, which I really like. When I opened it up, I did notice it was a little separated. It was a little oily. So if you find that with your nail polish, you want to make sure you give it a good shake. And then I'm just going to show you guys the other bottle, and it's just called Colorstay Gel Envy Diamond Top Coat. It's basically what it is. It's just a top coat after you put on that pink layer. And I want to take this time to remind everyone to always follow the directions of whatever type of product you're using, just to make sure that you're staying safe. So I am putting on the top coat right now, this pink color. What I did notice though when I applied this is that it was a little lumpy. It was a little hard to apply. I don't know if it's because maybe these were sitting on the shelf for a while. I got them from my local grocery outlet. And you know, things tend to be there when they get expired. So here is the first layer of it. I also put another layer on it just to try to smooth out those lumps and bumps that happened. And it actually started to look a little better after it started to dry and after it started to settle. As you can see here, this is the second coat. You can see it still looks a little lumpy though. So I'm gonna go in now with the top coat. And I don't know what happened, but after I put this top coat on, it seems like everything just kind of meshed together and that pink really popped, and it just made me really love this color. As you see, it's very shiny. It looks very nice now. It's not bumpy anymore. So if you are looking for a pretty cheap nail polish and top coat combo, this Revlon Colorstay Gel Envy is something you might want to try. Well, that's my review, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It'll really help this channel grow. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.